when you're sharing data, when you're collaborating, you're doing the de-identification, and then you're able to consume that appropriately, because there's a lot of that work that needs to happen in that, and the scale of it is getting greater and greater and greater. One of the areas this has become most clear and important in is in genomics. Right? The scale of doing sequencing or using even synthetic data for a large population, the scale is absolutely massive, right? So it becomes a very challenging problem from a governance perspective, much less access and the level of granularity, right? And trying to apply those policies on top of that scale, there's a lot of challenges in that space right now. And then even just without the sharing, even within their system, being able to understand who has access and how they're using it, but then also making it available in a safe way for researchers, for physicians, for others in the organization that are going to need to do it. And as they're trying to make their solutions more and more valuable, you need more data. You need to enrich it. You need more dimensions. But then you also need to balance things like de-identification and expert determination and being able to prove, I can't identify that person. When you're getting into being able to understand, can I identify that person? We have 100 dimensions of this, these people's care. We don't know who they are, but all of it's integrated and tied together. How are we not just protecting our business and being safe internally, but then also protecting the patients, protecting the individuals who are participating in this as well, maybe the participants. That becomes a very complex challenge unless you have a lot of clarity and transparency in your environment from a governance perspective, from a security perspective, and from an access perspective. Enabling that as well as protecting that.